Hello everyone, I am Awanis Romli, your instructor for today. Welcome to Chapter 1 of ICT Governance. Before we get started, let's go over what you will learn in this chapter. By the end of this chapter, you will be able to explain the key concepts of ICT governance. Number 2, identify the role of information risk in governance. Number 3, evaluate project governance structures. And lastly, describe the characteristics and benefits of ICT governance frameworks. Now, you know what to expect. So, let's dive in. Let's start with the basics. What is ICT governance? ICT governance is a formalized process that aligns an organization's technology, like its infrastructure and investment, with its business goals. It ensures that ICT services are managed in a way that supports the overall success of the organization. This includes things like accountability, decision-making, and making sure that ICT resources like budgets, security, and compliance are all managed efficiently. In short, ICT governance helps the organization use technology to deliver real business value, making sure that IT is not just a cost, but an asset that drives success. Now, let's move on to the purpose of ICT governance. ICT governance ensures that IT investments are aligned with business needs and that these investments deliver a return. It helps organizations manage resources, responsibility, keeping everything within budget, and ensuring projects are completed on time. Plus, it plays a critical role in managing risks. By having a structured process, organizations can avoid unexpected surprises like budget overruns or security breaches, and ensure that technology is helping, not hindering, their success. So, what are some common ICT governance practices? Our practice is application portfolio management. This means regularly checking up on legacy systems to see if they are still effective or need replacing. It's like giving your systems an annual health check. Another is asset management. This is all about keeping track of all your IT assets like computers, software, and licenses throughout their life cycle. Organizations also conduct audits, which are checks to make sure everything from finance to technology is working as it should. Benchmarking is also another key practice. It involves comparing IT performance and costs with other companies to make sure your organization is staying competitive and efficient. Finally, business technology alignment makes sure there is no gap between what the business needs and what IT is delivering. It's all about making sure technology is full supporting business goals. Next, let's talk about ICT performance and process management. This is all about ensuring that IT systems are working effectively. For example, ICT performance management involves tracking how well systems are performing, like checking uptime, response times, and how satisfied users are with the technology. Then, there is a ICT risk management, which focuses on identifying risks before they become major problems, like data breaches or system crashes. Finally, knowledge management will ensure that all the information about ICT systems, such as how they are built and how they operate, is properly documented. This is super important for continuity and future decision making. Now, let us focus on information risk. Information risk is the chance that unauthorized people could access or compromise important information within the organization. This could lead to serious issues like data breaches or lost customer trust. To manage this, ICT governance uses risk management frameworks which involve setting up risk committees and clear reporting structures to ensure that risks are identified and controlled. The goal is to keep data safe, ensure compliance with laws and regulations, and prevent financial losses due to information risk. Next, let's talk about project governance. Project governance ensures that ICT projects are aligned with the overall goals of the organization and are delivered on time and within budget. It provides the structure, resources, and monitoring systems necessary to make sure these projects deliver real value. Some key principles include establishing clear accountability, so everyone knows who is responsible for what, and separating stakeholder management from decision making. This helps avoid confusion and ensures projects are executed smoothly. Good project governance ensures that organizations get the most out of their technology investments, with projects directly contributing to their success. Let's take a look at the key characteristics of an ICT governance framework. A strong governance framework has 5 key elements, or I can say in a short form, SPORT. S for strategy ensures that IT is aligned with business goals. Policies sets clear rules and procedures to guide how ICT is managed. Operations focus on making IT operations efficient and well organized. Regulations ensures that all ICT activities comply with industry standards and laws. And lastly, T for technology manage the selection and use of business tools in a way that supports the organization's objective. Together, these 5 elements will help a solid foundation for managing ICT in a way that benefits the organization. Now, let's talk about some well-known ICT governance frameworks that organizations can use. First, COBIT. This framework helps organizations align their IT processes with business objectives, offering a set of best practices. Second, ITIL focuses on IT service management, ensuring that IT services are delivered in a way that meets business needs. Third, ISO IEC 38500-2015. This standard provides guidelines for the governance of IT, helping organizations understand their legal and ethical obligations. COSO or COSO, originally developed for corporate governance, this framework helps manage risk and ensure the integrity of business processes. And lastly, FAIR or FAIR. This framework focuses on managing cybersecurity risks, helping organizations better understanding and mitigate potential threats. Each framework offers a unique approach, and organizations often choose the one that best fits their governance needs. Finally, let's wrap up with the benefits of an ICT governance framework. First, it helps organizations ensure compliance with laws and regulations, reducing their legal risks. It also builds stakeholder confidence by showing that the organization is managing its technology responsibly. Better alignment between IT and business objectives improve performance and efficiency, while risk management ensures that ICT investments contribute positively to the organization's goals. In short, a solid ICT governance framework helps organizations use technology effectively and stay competitive. In conclusion, ICT governance is crucial for aligning technology with business goals. It provides a structured approach to managing risks, optimizing investments, and ensuring projects deliver value. At the end, in this chapter, now you should able to first explain the key concepts of ICT governance. Second, identify the role of information risk in governance. Third, evaluate project governance structures. And lastly, you may able to describe the characteristics and benefits of ICT governance frameworks.